It's currently Wednesday night, which means I haven't drawn a winner for the 250 sub giveaway yet, but this video is probably going to be posted after I draw the winners. So if you didn't see the last video, I'm giving away a variety pack of Supreme stickers. There's 10 of them in here, plus this bear brick, 250 subs. I already drew the winner probably when this video is posted. So sorry you already missed out on that giveaway. But make sure you stay tuned because at 500 subs, we're giving away the Supreme burner phone. So make sure you're subscribed. Maybe turn post notifications on. I don't know, because I don't know when we're going to hit 500 subs. But when we do, we're going to be running this giveaway. So you don't want to miss that video. How's it going, everybody? Broke Book Kilar back again with another project, and today in this video we're going to be doing a kind of different video. We're going to be doing a mystery box unboxing, but it's not a hype beast mystery box. We're going to be doing a mystery box of knives. Now let me explain. Back in the day, like in high school, I don't know why, maybe it's, I don't know what it is, I used to be into knives. I used to have a bunch of different knives. My friends had a bunch of different knives. I don't currently collect a bunch of knives, but however, you've probably seen I've used a variety of knives here to open up packages on the channel. I have a bunch, and my friend Maka, who is in the Navy, he's in Japan right now, but he travels all over on the boat doing and staying. He like fixes helicopters or something. Shout out to Maka. He actually ordered me this knife mystery package for me to unbox on my channel. So he sent this to me. It's a gift. I really appreciate it. And I don't even know how many knives are in here, but we're gonna go ahead and open this up and we're gonna see what we get. As you can see, my knives are really dull. That's because I use them a lot. I use them for like when I make stuff like crafts and whatever. So my blades are really dull. I have like the stone to sharpen it with. I just don't have time to sharpen them, so I don't. All right, so I guess we'll just do this like how we do mystery boxes. I'll give you the first look. There it is, and I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna start pulling out knives. Okay, I just slid my hand in here and it feels like there's a lot of boxes in here. So the first one we got is a pocket knife with a lighter case. Oh, this is kind of sick. All right, so the first thing we got is this really miniature knife. It has the clip, as well as, I guess this holds lighters, and I actually have a lighter right here. So this lighter doesn't even fit. Okay, I don't know what kind of lighters are supposed to be fitting in here. I feel like this is like a very standard sized lighter, but it does not fit in there. It's too small. But it is, in fact, a knife. This thing is, I'd say it's like medium sharpness. It's not that sharp, but it's not very dull either. So that's pretty cool. There it is. It's like a very small blade on this knife. Next we have Black Legion. Here's the box. Probably don't even care. Oh, I think this is a karambit. It is. It's not as curved as this one. The one that I already have, you can see the difference. This one feels really light too. Mine's is kind of heavy, this one that I already have. But this is pretty dope. It feels almost like it's plastic. It's like really light, but this is a pretty cool blade too. This one is actually duller than that short one. So this one isn't very sharp at all. This one needs to be sharpened as well. I also don't know how to sharpen karambits that well because it's curved. So I have a hard time using the rock. If you know how to sharpen it with the stone, let me know. Or maybe I'm not supposed to use the stone for curved blades. I really don't know. This video is gonna be really long. We gotta just start banging out some of these knives. The next one is from Master USA. This next is this really bulky handle. It's, oh, this is kind of thick. This one feels like it's meant more for like camping and stuff. Kind of cool. This one, the other ones all had black blades. This one has like a grayish, more metallic color. It also has a seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker. I've tried to use these glass breakers. It's actually really hard. Next is from Southwest Red Pocket Knives. And this one is Next we got this. It's got like some Native American vibes to it. It's got these beads hanging down the, oh, that was very unsatisfying. This blade does not this one's like really hard to push. It doesn't open like the others. I guess you gotta flick it maybe. Hold up. I'll try it. Well, this one is really hard to get open, but this one is... oh, I didn't even test the sharpness of this one. Oh, here's this what this looks like, by the way. And here's what this looks like. So you can see the two. So here, this one is pretty sharp actually. This one is sharper than the other two. This one is the sharpest thus far, and this one is pretty sharp as well. I'd say these two are about the same in terms of sharpness of the actual blade itself. This blade feels like it's better quality though. But everyone knows that the 3 different colored beads on this string here, that's like plus 10 sharpness for the knife. Everyone knows that. If you didn't know that, now you know. Next, I think there's only one more. Shout out to Blade City, that's where this is from, by the way. And shout out to Maka for giving it to us once again. Then we come to our last knife, which is from Tomahawk. And this one is looking kind of sick. I don't know what this pattern would be called, but that's what that looks like. It's pretty cool. And oh, this is a very bulky blade. Really bulky blade. It's got this serrated edge right here. And this one is not very sharp at all. I'd say it's about the same as the karambit that we got. And so that's what this blade looks like. There it is with the handle. And this one comes with a bottle opener on the bottom. Very nice. So in total we ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different blades in total, 5 different knives. My personal favorite of the 5 is gonna be this little one with the lighter holder. So that's the 5 knives that we got in the knife mystery box. I know, very different video, nothing like we've done before. So shout out to Maka, I really appreciate the 5 knives. Really cool video, really cool package, really appreciate you. Alright, so go ahead and comment down below which was your favorite or which was your least favorite, or if you don't like knives at all, or if there was anything that I was extremely wrong about or something. Alright, I appreciate you guys who tuned in. There might have been some people who haven't seen the channel yet, but they were interested in the knives. For my loyal viewers that sat through this knife unboxing, I appreciate you for still being around. I think we've just passed 300 subs. Trying to keep committed to filming these videos and posting consistently. And I really appreciate all the love that you guys have been showing me. During the giveaway, when you DM me, a lot of people have really nice things to say about the videos, and I honestly didn't realize that there was so much people that watched my videos. I thought it was just people like in Hawaii. Alright, so for some reason the camera decided to just stop recording. I have no idea why. It just decided to do that. But what I was saying was that I didn't realize there was people watching my channel from so many different places. I thought that everybody that was watching my channel was maybe from Hawaii, or they were like my friends or friends of my friends maybe. But it turns out there's people all over the United States. I mean, New York, Maine, California, Las Vegas, all over, as well as outside of the US. There was people from Guam, Canada, Indonesia. In fact, Canada, the winner of the last giveaway, his name was Biagio. He was from Canada. I remember because I had to pay customs for that one, and it was a giveaway. So I lost a lot of money on that giveaway. But it doesn't matter. The point I'm trying to make is that I was really surprised hearing where you guys are from. You know, I really appreciate everybody watching me, and I look forward to interacting with you guys more and doing more giveaways. The next giveaway is at 500 subs. I look forward to doing that. And that is all I have for the video. Hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time. The truth.